Hello, crochet enthusiasts. Welcome back to Craft Drawer, where we explore the world of crafting. Today, I have something special to share with you, the Holiday Ripples Crochet Afghan Kit in sparkling colors for Christmas. The yarn in this kit is incredibly soft and luxurious, making it perfect for snuggling up during the holiday season. Colors to choose from include white silver emerald ruby, white gold emerald ruby, topaz emerald ruby, and white gold topaz purple. The pattern is easy to follow, even for beginners, and it creates a stunning ripple design. If you are able to read a pattern, this project is easy to read. Kits like this one save you time and effort since you don't have to hunt down individual materials and patterns. The kit comes with the pattern and yarn. This sparkly ripple Afghan will add a splash of holiday colors to any room. A ripple Afghan is a timeless crochet project. It's one Afghan pattern you will want to use again and again. Here's the finished crochet Afghan. As you can see, the ripple pattern and holiday colors make it a perfect addition to your festive decor. If you're looking for a fun and festive crochet project for the holidays, I highly recommend the Holiday Ripples Crochet Afghan Kit. Choose your yarn colors and get started on this beautiful pattern. Learn more about the pattern. You can find the pattern in the link description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.